About 5 million years ago, a new predator arrived in America. It had made its way from the south, crossing the still-forming Isthmus of Panama and onto the coastal plains of Texas and then Florida. The largest of these creatures stood 3 meters tall and weighed 150 kilograms. And in its old home, it was the uncontested apex predator, armed with all kinds of awesome adaptations that it used to kill its prey, sometimes in pretty weird ways. And this invader wasn't alone. It was part of one of the biggest mass migrations in Earth's history. It seemed more than ready to hold its own against North American predators like wild dogs and saber-toothed cats.